Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Confidence. This is day 11 of 30-day challenge series for learning English. And today I'm going to talk about nothing. I do not have vocabulary to discuss with you. I didn't collect any content, nothing else except one thing. One thing that I have for you, that is, you ask me many times one common question, that is how to maintain fluency, how to be fluent in English and how to maintain fluency while speaking in English. This is a common question that you people ask me many times in the comment section. So today I'm going to talk about that how to maintain fluency while speaking in English. So before giving answer to this question, I want you to give answer about, just think about it, that what does fluency mean? What does fluency mean? Fluency means to be in a flow. Now, what does it mean to be in a flow? Before giving answer to this question, to be in a flow, let me give you an example. Let me take you somewhere else. Before giving answer to this question, one day I prepared a question paper to my students. So I prepared everything, and I was very much occupied on that day, and next day I have to provide this question paper to my students. But before that day I was very occupied that I was even unable to manage time to cross check it. So I asked my friend that can you check it for me and just check this question paper whether is there any correction required or not, and just see it. So she told me that if you want me to check it now, so please send it to me now, if it is possible, because I am working, I am doing my own work, so along with that I can do your work as well, because I am in a flow of working. She told me this, I am in a flow of working, so I can do it quickly. Okay, so I sent to her, and she checked it, and okay, that work had been done on that day. All right. So one thing that she told me on that day, that is, I am in a flow, I can do it now, I am in a flow of working. Have you observed this thing that sometimes we don't feel like studying, and once we sit for study, and then we come in a flow and we start studying and we start enjoying our study, right? Because we come in a flow of study. The same thing is with English as well, right? If you want to maintain fluency while speaking in English, so you have to be in a flow. Now, how to be in a flow to maintain fluency in English? You have to start thinking in English. Now you will tell me that, oh my god, it is so monotonous. How to start? Because we have habit of thinking in Hindi or in our native language or regional language. So how can we start thinking in English? Is it possible? My answer is yes, it is possible. I know initially it will be very monotonous. Yeah, it will be so difficult to think in English. But trust me, if you will start doing it continuously for 21 days, you can see the change. Yes, at least start, because if you want to make anything your habit, so to make a habit you have to practice for at least 21 days, then it will become your habit. Initially you have to force yourself, you have to consciously put effort to start thinking in English, but after 21 days, trust me, it will be your habit and you will be in a flow, because you are thinking in English here in the mind. So I don't think so that it will be very difficult for you to speak in English with anybody, because you are in a flow, you are thinking, you are continuously in touch with this language. All right, it will not happen that you are not doing anything and you just want to speak English. Nothing will happen with this. You have to take action, because you ask me, you tell me that ma'am, we do not have anybody with whom we speak, because of the lack of the environment we are unable to speak, people are not speaking in English, those who are with us. So the whole universe is in you. You don't have to search people, just start taking an action. I'm telling you to start. Just start from you. Start thinking in English. I'm telling you, you can see change in you. Once you will start thinking, you will start, contemplating that what to say this thing in English, what to say that in English, how to make this sentence. You will start thinking, and once you will start questioning to yourself, you will start getting answer to that questions, and it will make a difference. Yes, you can see change in you because you are always in touch with this language and you are in a flow, and you will definitely start speaking English fluently. Yes, try this at least for 21 days. It will be your conscious effort. After 21 days it will come subconsciously. Yes, try to do this. I am following the same thing, and that's why I'm suggesting you. I hope this video is gonna help you and you will try at least once. And yeah, that's it for today. I will be back with another video. You take care of yourself. Bye bye.